My name's Kevin. This is our Continental Uniliner 4-tower. This particular model has got a 16-foot deck on it and with a approximately 31-inch working height. This is a electric hydraulics, which means this one handheld remote control runs the whole machine. It is a tilt-down drive-on. So what you want to do is make sure your towers are all pinned and secured. Turn the machine on. Now I'm going to open this valve. I'm going to push up, pull my safety pin, and then just push down. Now you would simply drive the vehicle on, or they offer a winch if you wanted to buy a winch with it to pull it up on. And notice it has a very nice angle, so you have vehicles, sports cars that have a low clearance, you can get them up on the machine with no problem at all. Simply push the button. And as all I do is reinsert my pin. You can it has built-in bolts to leveling bolts. Shut this valve off. Now I'm free to use any tower I want. Again, there's no air pumps, there's no air lines. Is all you do. We have gate valves. So as I want to activate a tower, I just simply turn the gate valve on, push the button, and that tower is activated. I can open all 4 towers at once, and they'll all pull evenly. It's called equalized simultaneous pulling power, which is really nice. It also has on it, we have almost 14 inches of travel, so when I hook a chain up and I do my pulling, it pulls almost 14 inches at one shot, which is really, really nice. Most systems are either 6 or 10. It's dual acting, means it powers out and powers forwards and backwards, releases. So it tends not to release a little bit slower. So you tend to gain as a little, you hold what you pulled a little bit more. We also have a very nice, solid, time-tested anchoring system, 4-point anchoring system. We have adapters available for that for Mercedes, for BMW, for some of your specialty holding that you could use with it. It offers a removable cross member, which I simply pull these 2 pins, and this section slides out so you have access to your damage. Very nice feature. It also has a sliding jacking beam, so I can put this anywhere I want in the entire middle of the machine. I can use it to jack to support either a cross member or just an axle, or wherever I needed it. You can put it in this section, or the back section. It also, too, one thing that's very nice about this machine is how easy these towers move. Literally one hand, nice and easy. Has an optional 2-foot extension on it that can be put on any tower. All the hydraulics is internally plumbed, so there's really nothing on the floor, only the cord that powers it. You can use it if you don't want to do, it's designed to do heavy collision, truck collision. It's got 10 tons of pulling power at the hook, but I can also, too, take a unibody clamp. If I wanted to pull a rear body panel or a radiator support, drive it on, I'd put this up on my rocker panel, zip, 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 throw a block of wood underneath it, run a chain through the loop down to any one of these 28 tie-down pockets. Just chain it to it, take a chain lock on the bottom, boom. So in a matter of minutes, you can literally in 10 minutes drive a vehicle on and pull a radiator support, quarter panel, rear body panel. So I can use it on hard hits, light hits, full frame sport utility vehicles. It's just a great machine. It's built by Continental, very, very accurate. The deck, the jigging of it when they built this machine, it's just an awesome machine. And so you could say this is refurbished. We've gone through, in this particular one, we put a new pendant control. We did some work to the motor, hardware in your clamps, refinished the deck. All these Allen bolts have been all these holes have been tapped out and soaked in oil. So everything, I mean, everything works on the machine. And I believe they replaced all the springs in the jaws, 4 new tower chains on it, and it's good to go. This is a great value.